Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you a quick breakfast eggs in tomato sauce recipe. Easy food recipes style. Fresh tomato, you slice it into tiny pieces, just 2 pieces of tomato. To make the sauce you need a bowl, then add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Also add half cup of milk and 1 egg. Then you add your wheat flour, 2 teaspoons. Stir very well. Then you add your spices, salt, pepper, Maggi to taste. Stir very well. Put vegetable oil inside the pan. Add the sliced tomatoes inside. Turn the sliced tomatoes. Turn the fried tomatoes. Pour the sauce inside it and allow it to cook for like 15 minutes. As you can see, our sauce is ready. If you notice, the tomatoes are still in balls. The tomatoes are still in balls. Let's try it. Yummy, so delicious. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.